Hi everyone, I am Varun Kumar and now we are going to discuss touch typing. Introduction. Touch typing, also called as touch type or touch keyboarding, is a style of typing. Although the phrase refers to typing without using the sense of sight to find the keys, especially a touch typist will know their location on the keyboard through muscles memory. The term is often used to refer a specific form of touch typing that involves placing the eight finger in a horizontal row along the middle of the keyboard and having them reach for specific other keys. Touch typing can be learned by performing a special exercise. Stage 1 of the process begins with learning the home row of the keyboard. Looking at the keyboard is strictly forbidden. This is followed by learning the lower and upper rows, the number rows, uppercase letter and special symbol. Stage 2 involves memorizing frequently used syllabi and typing words containing these syllables. Stage 3 involves typing actually tests to perfect the skill acquired. Touch typing technique. Typing zone for each finger, the F, D, S, A and J, K, L keys represent the base position. Keyboard usually having a small protrusion on the F and J key. They help your finger locate the base position without looking at the keyboard. Try to return your finger to the base position after each stroke. Typing zones for each finger. Color coding shows which finger should press each code. As you can see in the previous slide, the left index finger is reserved for all the red key, the right index finger is reserved for green keys and so forth. Use the thumb of whichever hand is more convenient for you to press the space key. The base position on the numeric pad is the number 5 keys for the middle finger, 4 for the index finger and each for 6 for the ring finger. The numeric pad simplifies and speeds up numerical data input. Uppercase letters and symbols appearing on the key in the numbers row are typed by one hand with the little finger of the other hand holding down the shift key. Do not look at the keyboard. Try to locate the right key with your finger. Advice for successful touch typing practice. Do not rush at the early stage of learning. High speed makes sense only when the fingers can hit the right keys by force of habit. Take your time when typing to avoid mistakes. The speed will pick up as you progress. You should establish and maintain a rhythm while typing. This means that keystrokes should come at equal interval. Hit keys only with the fingers for which they have been reserved. Limit your hand and finger movement only to what it is necessary to press a specific key. Keep your hands and fingers close to the base position. This improves typing speed and reduces stress on the hand. Don't look at the keys when you type. Just slide your finger around until they find the home row marking. Don't hammer on the key. Try using the minimum force possible. To switch between upper and lower case, always use the opposite hand. Hands and body when we are going to type should be in a correct position. See in first picture, a lady in front of the computer system is sitting in a proper way. And see another picture, that is a wrong position. We don't have to use a wrong position. We just have to use the right position to use the computer. While at the computer, sit straight. Always remember to keep your back straight. Keep your elbows bent at the right angle. Face the screen with your head slightly tilted forward. There should be at least 20-30 inch of distance between your eye and the screen. In other words, your outstretched arm should barely touch the screen. The optimum height of the tabletop or under desk keyboard drawer is 28 to 30 inch from the floor. The chair and table height should be chosen as to expose the shoulder, arm and wrist muscles to the least possible strain. The wrist can touch the tabletop in front of the keyboard. Never shift even a portion of your body weight to the wrist by resting on them. Be patient and practice as often as possible. Despite the simple touch typing technique, it takes some time to gain high speed. By following the rules, you will see your speed and accuracy improve over time.